Alright tech enthusiasts, today I've got something really exciting to talk about. The Nubia Red Magic 9S Pro Plus. This is the latest beast in the gaming phone market, and it's packed with some serious firepower. So, let's dive into the specs and see if it's worth your hard-earned cash. First off, the display. The Red Magic 9S Pro Plus comes with a massive 6.8-inch AMOLED screen, that's about 17.27 centimeters, for those who prefer metric. And get this. It boasts a 144Hz refresh rate with HDR10 Plus support. So whether you're gaming or streaming, you're looking at buttery smooth visuals and vibrant colors. Under the hood, it's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Yeah, you heard that right. The latest and greatest from Qualcomm. Paired with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this phone is a multitasking monster. And for storage, you've got options. You can choose between 256 GB or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 internal storage. That's more than enough space for all your games, apps, and media. Now let's talk about the camera setup. On the back, you've got a triple camera array. The primary sensor is a whopping 64 megapixels. There's also an 8 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 2 megapixel macro lens. On the front, you've got a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So whether you're capturing epic gaming moments or just snapping selfies, you're covered. The Red Magic 9S Pro Plus also comes with a built-in cooling system. Yep, you heard me right. An actual fan inside the phone to keep things cool during those intense gaming sessions. And don't worry, it's whisper quiet. Battery life? Well, it's got a 5500 mAh battery that supports 65W fast charging. That means you can go from 0 to 100% in just about 38 minutes. No more long waits for your phone to charge. As for the colors, you've got 3 choices: Obsidian Black, Pulsar Red, and Nebula Blue. And the price? The base model with 256 GB storage starts at around $799, while the higher-end 512 GB version will set you back about $899. So is the Nubia Red Magic 9S Pro Plus worth it? If you're a serious mobile gamer or someone who loves top-notch specs, then absolutely. This phone ticks all the boxes: powerful performance, stunning display, impressive camera, and solid battery life. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like and subscribe for more tech reviews. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. Techdevil watermark text. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome tech content. See you next time.